Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into forthelow.net, the best place on the planet to buy vintage electronics. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Sanyo DVD VCR combo to show you. The model number is DVW-7100A, and this thing is really convenient. It makes it really nice to put your DVD and VCR in one spot in your entertainment center, and it makes it so you can eliminate one of your remotes because it only uses one remote. And it all operates on the same input. But let's go ahead and talk about it. So on the rear panel of it, you have a coaxial output for digital audio. You can connect that to an amplifier or sound system. And then you have an audio output for standard analog, and then S-video output, and then component video. These are only for DVD. And then for DVD and VHS, you have composite video and audio output right here. And then you have an input that's for recording onto VHS if you want to. And then you have a tuner right here. And this was manufactured in September of 2004, and it was made in China. All you have to do to connect it is plug in the red, white, and yellow cable to the rear panel on the DVD VCR output, and then connect the other end to your TV. And then plug in your power cord. And then once you have it all wired up, you can go ahead and power it on and put a VHS and DVD in. And this is the original remote control for it.
Your pardon, it's just that I've never seen it ducked.
The remote's got a bunch of different buttons on it. It's got a really nice design so that you can hold it easily. And to start, we've got the slow function that will play it back frame by frame if you want to, and you can even pause it at any frame. And then you can turn on and off the display with the display button. And if you push stop and then fast forward, it will do a fast forward. Or if you have it playing, you can do a standard fast forward. Or you can do a rewind as well, of course. And then you have your menu button for accessing the menus. And then you can also easily switch to the DVD side if you want to. At any moment, you can do that. And with the menu button, you can quickly jump to the main menu on the DVD. You've got some repeat functions if you want to use those. And then you've even got the surround sound option. And then on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here. And then you have a audio and video input right here for recording onto VHS. You have rewind, fast forward, stop, eject, play, and record. Those are the VHS functions. And then you've also got channel buttons. Then you got your DVD eject button, and then DVD VCR button that will quickly jump to the other input. And then you've got skip, stop, play, and fast forward and skip forward. So that's pretty much all there is for the Sanyo DVD VCR. In my opinion, this particular model and many different Sanyos are actually your best DVD VCR to go with. Whether it's a player or a recorder, they are your best option. But if you're looking to order one, make sure you get it at forthelow.net for the best guarantees, and you can order over the phone, or you can get it on our online store.